Yeah, she's had better days. This purple used to be a glorious purple, and now it's, well, it's this. The owner also bought some new decals for the side, but if you look at the ghosting left of those decals, you can see that they didn't put them on there quite where they used to go. So we've got that to deal with, plus some chips and scuffs and a nasty scum line, and overall generally just dry gel coat. But I think we're able to take care of this with a little bit of compound, wool compounding wheel, and a great buffer. And I'll show you what that looks like in a little bit. In the meantime, enjoy this nastiness. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, thank goodness. I was tired of looking at that. Anyway, so here's what we came up with. Now this is inside, so you're not going to get the greatest view of it, but it's got some really good color and really nice clarity, and it's nice and shiny and smooth. So this is ready for a decent clean, soap and water, and then we'll go ahead and apply polish. We'll do that to the entire boat, and in a short amount of time, we should have the owner here, and they may or may not be impressed. I think they'll be impressed, but you never know. So, if you're asking, it was finesse it generally and some heavy cut compound on the back. All of these are 3M products. We use double-sided wool pads, also by 3M. And if you're wondering how to get underneath the fenders or behind the fenders, we use a floor jack and a couple 2x4s to lift up the boat slightly, just so we can get our buffer wheel down in that fender shadow. This turned out just to be a crack. I thought maybe I left a hair from a towel or the buffer wheel. I'm glad it's just a crack. The owner's probably not glad, but I am. And yes, that is traditional detailer music. We also listen to country, sadly, some EDM, some disco, some hip-hop, a little bit of reggae, quite a bit of dubstep actually, which I gotta say, even at my age, makes work go by much faster. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. If you have any questions, which I'm sure you will because this was a very uninformative video, feel free to hit the comment section. It's also a great place for comments. Anyway, thanks for watching, and remember, the standard is the standard. Don't accept anything less.